Hi everyone. From today onwards, we will have new chapter, coordination equilibrium. By the by the title of chapter, coordination equilibrium, it means that there will be a equilibrium, right? And coordination. Coordination is a term we will be used in the complex, right? In defining the complex, where the metal to ligand bonding expressed in an coordination, right. Thus, coordination and equilibrium means the complexation, how it happens, and the complex sphere, how it exists, right, and the stability of the complex, and the stability affecting factors, different types of complex stabilities, right, different terminology of complex stabilities. All this we will going to have in this chapter, and how we have the practical derivation for the stability of the complexes. This all we will be discussed in the coordination equilibrium. So initially we will be going with solvation. What it means by solvation: when a metal salts are dissolved in solvents such as water, metal salts dissolved in an solvents such as water, where the solvent molecules like water has the tendency of ligational character, right, has the ligand character. So thus ligand character solvent molecules can bind with metal ion and and have complexes. Thus formation of complex solvent complexes is known as solvation. For example, if you take ferric chloride salt dissolved in water, where the ferric ions will attack by multi aqueous moieties and forms hexaaquoferric complex. Hexaaquoferric complex. This can be simply written as 6 hexaaquo moieties binding reacting with ferric chloride will forms hexaaquoferric chloride. This process is known as solvation, right? And defining the binary complex and ternary complex. Coming to next, binary complex, ternary complex. A metal reacting with one type of ligand site to form a complex is known as binary complexation, and formed complex will be called as binary complex, right. There should not be different complex, there should be one type of, that there should not be different type of ligands, there should be one type of ligand. Then thus one type of ligands, when they are reacting with metal to form a complex, the process will be called as binary complexation, and formed complex will be called as binary complex. Simple, same as above, right. Metal ion ferric reacting with 6 aqueous ligand sites, similar type, 100% same 6 aqueous ligands forms hexaaquoferric complex, is a binary complex, right. So that is the binary complex. Coming to ternary complex, a metal reacting with different type of ligand sites to have a complex will be known as ternary complexation, and formed complex is ternary complex. Simple. uh, Same iron complex, iron metal, reacting with uh, three of the aqueous sites and three of the chloride ions, right? If it is, then it would be have the tetraaquo trichloroferric complex, where here two types of ligands are existing in the coordination sphere. Such complexes are called as ternary complexes, right? So now you got that what is the binary complex, what is the ternary complex, right? When there is an coordination sphere having only one type of ligand, that would be binary complex. When there is a coordination sphere of the complex having two types of ligands, then that will be called as ternary complex, right? Simple as that, right? Now coming to the stability. What is stability, right? We will say that some of the complexes are stable, some will be unstable, right? What is actually stability and what is actually stability constant, right? In complexation, the metal ligand reacts and forms a metal complex is a equilibrium reaction. The complexation reaction between metal and ligand to form a complex is a equilibrium reaction, where the equilibrium has equilibrium constant, will have equilibrium constant. Thus equilibrium constant can also be known as stability constant, and it equal to concentration of metal complex divided by the multiple product of metal concentration and ligand concentration, right? That is as the stability constant, right? So if we define the stability constant can be defined as the extension of formation of product complex from the reactants is known as stability constant. How extently the complex is formed, right? It is proportional to k, isn't it, right? The k stability constant is directly proportional to the numerator of the ratio of this, right? So in numerator what we have, the concentration of complex. So if the complex concentration is going on increasing, nothing but the k value will be going on increases, right? So which means that whenever the complex concentration increases, the k value increasing, nothing but it all depends upon the k value is all depends upon the concentration of the complex product complex concentration. So that's how the definition of the stability constant is defined as the extension of formation of complex is from the reactant metal and ligand is known as stability constant. Okay, this is also called as thermodynamic stability constant. This thermodynamic stability constant has different type of two different types, right? It has two different class called as stepwise stability constant and overall stability constant. Stepwise stability constant and overall stability constant. This classification is depends upon the ligand approach in complexation, right? As the Zerem scientist Zerem expressed that the complexation is a stepwise attack of ligands on metal ion, right? As per Zerem, the complexation will takes place as the one after the other the ligand approach towards the metal, right? Thus is the thus how the complexation is happens, right? So which means the if the complex coordination sphere is 6, if it is forming an octahedral complex, right, then the 6 ligands will approach the metal atom by one after the other. Initially first ligand will approach. After complete binding of first ligand, the second ligand will approach, and after completion of second ligand binding, third ligand approach. Like that, one after the other, the ligand approach will make onto the metal atom and forms the complete complexation. This was Zerem's theory. So with us, right, when we are going with an 4 coordinated complex, when we are going with 4 coordinated complex, complexation, Ml4 formation, right, the first of the metal will react with one ligand. The metal first react with one of the ligand side, and it binds with the first ligand, and this first ligand approach will have equilibrium to form this complex, and then when there is an equilibrium there will be equilibrium constant, that is K, stability constant. So here it is an first ligand approach. So far the stability constant can be termed as K1, and this can be equal to K1 can be equal to the concentration of metal ligand complex concentration divided by multiple product of metal concentration and ligand concentration, right? After complete binding of first ligand, the metal monoligand complex will be attacked by the second ligand, and it forms the biligand complex, and there again another equilibrium, another stability constant termed as K2, capital K2, and it can be equal to the concentration of product diligand metal complex divided by reactants concentration is metal ligand concentration in multiple with ligand concentration. Like this, the 4 steps reaction will be takes place to have 4 different complexes and 4 stepwise stability constant, 4 stability constants. In last step, triligand metal complex reacting with 4th final ligand will forms 4 coordinated complex and has equilibrium constant K4 as the ratio of metal 4 coordinated metal complex concentration divided by multiple product of 3 coordinated complex concentration into ligand concentration, right? So whatever we have now, first to fourth step, K1, K2, K3, K4, these all thermodynamical stability constants is termed as stepwise stability constant. right? So as the thermodynamic stability constant divided into two stepwise and overall, right? As per the ligand approach, right? When there are ligands are approaching one after the other, there will be different equilibriums will exist in complexation. Multiple equilibriums or multiple steps are involved to have the complex production, and where the multiple equilibriums will have multiple equilibrium constants, and thus equilibrium constants is termed as a stepwise stability constant, right? This is how. There is another part of reaction approach of ligand sites. The ligands, when they are approaching exactly one time, all the ligands are approaching at an one same time on the metal, right? When there is an four coordinated complex forming, four all ligand approach in an one time with metal to bind and to form the four coordinated metal complex will have equilibrium, and its equilibrium constant will be beta, considered as beta, and thus beta is known as overall stability constant, and the overall stability constant can be equal to the product concentration of four coordinate metal complex divided by multiple product of metal and ligand, 4 exponential ligand concentration, right? So like this, and here this stability constant will be called as overall stability constant, right? So if there has, here I consider the four coordinated complex formation, we have four stepwise stability constant. If we are having an five coordinated metal complex formation, there will be five stepwise stability constant will can be have, right? If there is an six coordinate complex formation it is happening, there will be six stepwise stability constants can be exist, will forms, will generates in all complexation of six coordinate complex, right? So like that, when there are n coordinated metal complex, when it is there, there will be n number of stepwise stability constants can be generated. But when it comes to overall stability constant, four coordinate complex will have four coordinated overall stability constant. If there are five coordinated metal complex when it's forming, there is only five coordinated representing overall stability constant will exist. And if there is an six coordinated metal complex formation, if it is there, it have only one overall beta 6 six coordinated metal complex stability constant. Like that, overall stability constant might be 1 for any coordinated complex, but when it come to stepwise stability constant, according to the stepwise stability, according to the coordination number, the number of stepwise stability constants will be increase, right? And there will be a relation between stepwise stability constant to overall stability constant. Let us see what is the relation between stepwise stability constant to overall stability constant. Let us consider the relation, generating the relation of overall stability constant and stepwise stability constant in four coordinated complex. Four coordinated complex relation ship between stepwise stability constants to overall stability constant. Right. Why I am considering every time four coordinate complex means it involves only 4 steps of stepwise stability constants and 1 step of overall stability constant. You can go for 5 coordinated, 6 coordinated, multi coordinated, right, where you may have multiple steps of stepwise stability constants, right. So to have simplification, brief explanation, I am going with the 4 coordinate, that's all, right. So when there is an 4 coordinate complex, when we take, there will be 4 stepwise stability constants, that's are k1, k2, k3, k4, as we seen just now, right. For the 4 coordinate complex, there is an k1, k2, k3 as well as k4, and constants, and there is an beta 4 overall stability constant. Right. Consider beta 4 overall stability constants formula. What we have, it is a ratio of 4 coordinated complex concentration divided by multiple product of metal concentration into ligand concentration in exponential of 4. Right. So here, having ratio into nothing, it nothing but into 1, we can write metal complex concentration divided by metal concentration into ligand concentration exponential of 4 into 1. We can write it now or not, right. Nothing is there, nothing but we can write into 1, right. It never have any difference, right. So here 1, we can take it as an ratio. The numerical number 1 can be considered as an ratio with same numerator and denominator. We know that, right. If we consider x by x, it equal to 1, since x get cancelled and it results of 1. And you can take 10 by 10, it also the ratio of 10 by 10, right, numerator denominator same 10 10, it equal to 1 again, where the 10 10 will get cancelled. Like that, the one number can be considered as a ratio of same numerator and denominator, right. So that is I am taking here. Here 1 I will take in different way, in the way of metal beta 4, it can be equal to metal ligand 4 coordinated metal ligand complex concentration divided by metal concentration ligand concentration into exponential of 4, where the 1 what we have, I will consider this 1 as 1 can be equal to tri-coordinated ligand complex concentration in numerator and denominator, right. Here this again get cancelled, these two complex concentrations get cancelled and it equal to 1, isn't it, right. So that's when I consider, here I write up that concentration of tri-coordinated metal ligand complex concentration, when I consider and readjust the ratios 1 and 2, the metal 4 coordinate complex concentration divided by metal tri-coordinate complex concentration into ligand concentration into tri-coordinated metal complex concentration divided by what I left, metal concentration I left, and ligand concentration in exponential of 3 I left, isn't it. So now this particular ratio, when you see, right, it could be equal to the K4. See here, in the stepwise stability constant, right, the K4 can be equal to 4 coordinated metal complex concentration divided by 3 coordinated metal complex concentration into ligand concentration, right? So here this and this are same, so in presence of this particular ratio we can write the K4, right? So now the beta 4 can be equal to K4 into ml3 concentration divided by metal concentration in and multiple of ligand concentration in exponential of 3, right? Now we got this. Again, in this particular ratio, in multiple of that there is nothing, so I will consider 1. Again, in position of 1 I will write that same numerator denominator ratio, that is 2 coordinated metal complex concentration I will consider. Two coordinated metal ligand complex concentration in numerator, in denominator, right? We can take na, right? So after that, again readjustment of the ratios, 3 coordinated metal complex concentration divided by 2 coordinated metal ligand complex into ligand concentration into 2 coordinated metal ligand concentration divided by metal concentration ligand concentration in exponential of 2, right? Again you look into this, right? This is equal to the K3. K3 is that the complex 3 coordinated metal complex concentration divided by 2 coordinated metal complex into ligand concentration. So thus this is, so we can write that in position of this we can write that K3. So what we got, beta 4 can be equal to K4 into K3 into 2 coordinate metal complex concentration divided with the multiple of product of metal concentration ligand concentration exponential of 2. Again we can write a ratio having numerator denominator same, where here I consider that mono ligand complex concentration in numerator and denominator, right? So these two equations are one and same, since these two get cancelled and get same the equation. So again rearrangement of this particular equation and ratios of equation, the 2 coordinated metal complex concentration divided with mono coordinated ligand concentration metal complex concentration divided into ligand concentration into metal ligand concentration divided by metal concentration in multiple with ligand concentration, right? From the 2 of ligand concentration, one is here, one is here, right? So like this. Now you see these two are the K2 K1, right? So the K2 can be equal to the 2 coordinate ligand complex concentration divided with mono coordinate ligand concentration into ligand concentration as such of this, right? Isn't it? These two same or not? Yeah. So far we can, in this place of this whole ratio we can write K2, and see this simple monoligand metal complex concentration divided with metal concentration and ligand concentration can be equal to K1, right? Can be equal to K1. So in these two ratios we can write K1 and K2. So overallly what we got, the beta 4 can be equal to K4 into K3 into K2 into K1, right? So what is the relation we got? The beta 4 is the 4 coordinated metal complex overall stability constant, whereas K4, K3, K2, K1 are the stepwise stability constants of the 4 coordinated metal complex, right? So which means that, so here as I consider the 4 coordinated complex and relation, I am generating the relation between 4 coordinated complex concentration overall stability constant and stepwise stability constant. I got this particular equation, right? The 4 coordinated overall stability constant can be equal to multiple product of the stepwise stability constants of 4 coordinated metal complex. If we go 5 coordinated, it would be, there will be 5 stepwise stability constant, multiple product can be equal to 5 coordinated overall stability constant. Like that, 6 coordinated complex if you do, and if you derive something, it will be equal to beta 6 equal to k6 k5, a multiple product of k6 k5 k4 k3 k2 k1, right? Like that all. So if we are going with in generally, right, when we generalize that all, right, similar to that equation, the beta 5 can be equal to k5 into k4 into k3 into k2 into k1, right? And beta 6 can be equal to overall stability constant of 6 coordinate complex can be equal to stepwise stability constants of 6 coordinate complex k6 k5 k4 k3 k2 and k1, right? Same to that, if we have multidentate ligand complex and its overall stability constant beta n can be equal to, right, k1 into k2 into k3 into so on till multiple of nth stepwise stability constant kn, right? This can be equal to k1 k2 k3 k4 k5 k6, right? Beta 5 can be equal to k1 k2 k3 k4 k5, like that, right? So like that we will have this particular equation, right? Like this, the relation between stepwise stability constant overall stability constant is, the overall stability constant is the multiple product of stepwise stability constant, right? So this is how we can generate the relation. And now let us discuss the next topic, that is trend in stepwise stability constant. Trend in stepwise stability constant, nothing but in a complexation reaction there are multiple stepwise stability constants are generating now. So in comparative of one stepwise stability constant to other stepwise stability constant, how the sequence, how the values are we have when we see, right, in an complex, when we consider